Hi, shirtless Tom in a shirt. So I got a delivery today, and it's very exciting because I have been working on some artwork, guys, and it's very exciting. So the artwork I'm working on is not my original artwork, but it is from good old 18th century artists. Oh, that's so cute.
Let me take the wrap off?
Not yet.
Okay.
It's by 18th century artists, and I've been, there's the Pierce guy, and I've been making some really cute stuff with it for wall hangings for primitive. And the really cool thing about this is I've got a few of these here that are available. I love that. Mm-hmm. These turned out really good.
Turned out really nice.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Oh my goodness, they turned out so good. I love her. She's so pretty.
They are awesome.
They are.
Very.
Yeah. So what I do with these is I digitally paint the pictures. So if you look at these on the internet, and say you tried to just take a picture off the internet and download it and send it to the lab, what you're going to get is a whole lot of pixels. You're going to get this mess. She's upside down. See, I did her twice because, oh my gosh. Back up a little behind that light. No. That, just go over there.
What?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Is she ever pretty? I love that. Yeah. So you can see if you look really close, there's no pixelation and there's a whole bunch of brush marks because I actually painted her on Corel Painter. And she is beautiful. Oh man. Let's see the old lady.
Yeah, these are very nice.
They turned out great.
Yep.
This is my favorite canvas company.
These turned out like really good.
They turned out really good.
Yeah. I'm impressed, dear.
Thank you. This is what I do at night when Tom is doing whatever it is he's doing. We have the TV on. I sit there and paint. I love this old lady. You know, it's really hard to find good primitive portraits for your wall. They're just not in a lot of places. So, and like I said, if you just download the pictures from the internet and then upload them to a canvas company, you can get them really cheap on sale, but they don't look good because they're pixelated. So I've used my photography background and made these really cool pictures. Now I'm going to put them around the house. I'm going to have some fun with these. This all started because I had Mr. President Pierce over here. I think he was the president. And I had him in the one bedroom. Oh, he's so perfect. But I didn't have Mrs. Pierce. And that was a problem for me. So I decided that I needed Mrs. Pierce. And then I painted Mrs. Pierce and decided that Mrs. Pierce...
So you're good.
Yeah, there's Mr. Pierce. Now let's put Mrs. Pierce next to her. Oh my goodness. So I painted Mrs. Pierce and then decided I couldn't not do President Pierce because they would look different. Oh, guy. I love them. They are so cool. They are going to look so cool on the wall. So very perfect primitive portraits. This is the exciting thing I've been up to. And the coolest thing is, I'm making these available at like a steal of a price. Wow. In download if you want to order your own. These are so cool.
So, this is going to take a bit to cut out,
This is
dear.
going to take a bit to cut out. Let's look. It's like a mosaic of people.
So we,
All right, I'll turn this off. This is so cool. The mosaic. And I've got more coming tomorrow, and I have more coming on Monday. But these little guys, oh, see, I love that. Look at this. They are so cute. I've got this little girl in red. Look at her. I'll take these out of the plastic and show you guys. But this little girl in red, I love her with that little doll. I've got a big one of her coming tomorrow. And we've got a couple more of the Pierces. And these people I'm going to do a video on just because they are so very interesting. Somebody wants to eat, don't you, Carl? Hey, buddy, are you looking for food? I thought this one would look really cool in a laundry room. All right. Oh, and this one, so cool. So I've just gotten a little delivery from Amazon. I picked up a few of these tension rods for the windows because I'm going to do some cafe curtains. And I always run out of them. It seems like no matter how many I have, I run out of them. And then I picked up some pink tulips and some yellow tulips and some peonies. So these are the touch peonies. I'm going to antique them and probably antique the tulips too. I wanted a few more flowers in the kitchen, and I really wanted the peonies because that's what Tasha Tudor used. Now, I was hoping that more came in the bunch. They were kind of pricey, $21.99. I didn't read that there were only 6. I thought it was the big bunch they showed, so that's a little bit deceptive. Also, I just went out and I bought some stuff for the pictures that I got in. I've got some gel, some heavy gloss, heavy and some soft, and a few brushes. I have lots of brushes in the barn, but I didn't feel like looking for them, so I picked that up. And then the matte finish to spray over it. And what we're doing here is, sorry about the shake. So I got her and a whole bunch of pictures in yesterday, and I'm going to paint over the canvas to make it look like a painting. And that's the plan today. I have lots more of these coming in. I'm going to paint on the ones that I have in and probably sell some of them. And then this one, I love this one. Don't you love this one? You know what I really love about this one? Look at how it looks on that wall. I love how it looks.